Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookie in Gacha Online. First, we'll break down the key elements of her design. Next, I'll guide you through selecting the right base features. Then, we'll dive into customizing colors and adding unique accessories. Finally, we'll refine all the small details to achieve her iconic appearance. Let's get started on crafting this sweet character. To begin, select a base body that offers a gentle silhouette, like body type 2. Then, give your character a warm, light peach skin tone. For her expression, choose eye shape 5 and mouth type 3 to capture her sweet demeanor. Finally, adjust her overall height to 1.5 units for a balanced appearance. Now, let's bring in some color. Give her hair a soft, light golden brown shade. For her main outfit, choose a lovely pastel pink, reminiscent of a frosted treat. Incorporate white details on her clothing to mimic frosting swirls. Don't forget to add a small, round cookie accessory, perhaps in her hand or hair, for that signature touch. For the finishing touches, apply a subtle blush to her cheeks, using color code 2 to give her a warm glow. Choose a simple yet elegant shoe design that complements her outfit. Double-check that all accessory colors harmonize with the overall sweet theme. Once satisfied, save your newly created sugar cookie character to enjoy in Gacha Online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.